How to open transfer money from Payoneer to Payoneer. So transfer it, first of all, you have to just go to the website and you have to log in into this account. Once you log in into your account, you will see this option of click on Pay tab menu. Now here on the left side, you will get this option of pay. Usually I'm not getting this option pay because I've only applied for to receive the payment. Now here you have to just go and click on make payment and usually you will find this option. Right now enter the recipient Payoneer email. So as you can see, I have my Payoneer email. So you have to enter the Payoneer email here, right? In the pay section, or you can also enter the Payoneer account ID. Choose the currency and enter the amount you want to send. Double check all details and click next. Review the payment details and click pay. This will take a few hours and you will receive the recipient will receive an email confirmation. So do you. And here, the best thing is that Payoneer doesn't take your fees for Payoneer to Payoneer transfer. Right, both accounts must be fully verified. That's really important because here you can see I need to submit some information for the verification center. Then only I will get this option to pay. Thanks for watching this video.